go as far as you can see with you, and today I want to share something. So we got a new condominium going to move in today. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 tubs. How beautiful it is. AC, very nice, extremely nice. I just love it. Beautiful view. At the very top, will be quiet, no more noise. Owner is excellent Slavic family, so they're going to be finish up this all. Let's see, the main reason my video is to show you this Costco product, and I want to show you later what it looks like, why I choose that one. I have tried that one before and I really love it. So it's a really big and nice shower tub and a tub. Everything's for fraction of the let's see, it's $1,700 condominium. You would say nice to buy a house, but yes, of course I don't mind to buy a house, but that's going to be in a little bit. I still have to do it. Okay, let's get this thing out. It's very heavy. I don't know how many pounds. It's probably like 100 plus pounds. It's very heavy. I hate to throw it down, but I'll try to lower it. Oh, there you go. It's a king size. Let's see. By Novaform. I have that in the past. Comfort Grande gel memory form 14 inch. Simply better sleep. So the reason why I get this one, not a little bit more expensive. There's another sleep foam brand, but anyway, this guy right here, it has 14 inch. The other one was 12 inch. Simply, wow, it's very heavy. You need a couple of strong hands. You can hear it's breathing. I need to cut this up. It's still sucking some air. I will avoid to use sharp objects, so I'm going to use just pliers. Let's get this thing out. I would definitely suggest to anyone who's still working on it. It's 14 inch and we don't like to use anything. My goodness, very nice. And again, this from Costco for about $6.99, I think that's what it was. And we got some cotton blankets and stuff and sheets. I like it, to be honest. First thing, it's very nice. Probably steel. Let's see. Softer on the bottom, on the top, and thicker at the bottom. And probably my wife's going to be the one who's first gonna fall on this one. I will wait. Okay, doke. Let's get back to this box. Are you on 24/7? We support you taking. So I think they are pretty great on support. I have Novaform before. So that's the date of manufacture.